Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your currency on eToro. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in etoro.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official eToro website. Now from the homepage, if you haven't already logged into your account, you can go ahead and log in using your credentials, and once you have been logged in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now from your homepage, within the menu icon at the left section, if you wish to change your currency, simply click on the settings option, and from the settings page click on general. Now within the general page, you will find the display currency at the right side. Just click on the drop down menu and click on whichever currency you wish to use within your eToro account. Now as soon as you tap on this menu, when you go back into the home page, you will see that your selected currency has been applied immediately, and you can come back to this menu as many times as you want in order to change your active currency. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your currency on eToro. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.